And so events all this week have been taking place all over the world. Of course, it's important to remember the events of the Holocaust, to remember the victims, the millions of victims, largely Jewish, but not exclusively. And also, this is particularly important right now because there has been a recent spike in anti-Semitic incidents. Anti-Semitism is prejudice or hatred directed at Jews. And so a program like this is particularly important. I just have the briefest of introductions for our visiting artist. I'm so glad that he could come all the way out from Seattle, Akiva K. Segan, who you will meet personally in a minute. He has some Illinois roots, although he's from the East Coast. He attended Parkland College and Southern Illinois University and lived in Champaign, I think, for a little while. So he knows the area. But what impressed, I've met Akiva a couple of times. He has been doing Holocaust art for at least 30 years. So I'm impressed with the commitment. I think when you see his work, you'll see an artist of talent and skill and commitment. And then on top of that, what really impresses me as well is the mission as a teacher, that he's been teaching this art and teaching art making in various ways as well. So those things really recommend Akiva Segan to us this afternoon. So I'll kindly ask you to give your attention to Akiva.
Thank you very much.